la.
It's the other way.
Hello.
Very good job at your and they really love the good weather in Spain too. And I'm happy to say that we are going to have good weather here in Denmark too. Not from the morning, because as I think all of you have been a little bit chilly this morning.
Yeah.
The temperature has been very close to zero this morning. When I woke up 6:30, there was like ice on the roof on my neighbor's or new places for elder care. We always invite an artist, such kind of a person we are using every time when we are making renovation, big renovation, or when we are building new things. At this place we use, it means a lot to me too in another way. The name of the picture is harbor. Do you know what a harbor is?
Puerto. The
Yes.
port.
A harbor is a place where you can go if the storm really is blowing and you get a little...
Ya, you come in.
Mira, explícale que si deja no se va a hacer, se pierde el dinero. Es un dicho español.
I never heard it. It's the first time for me.
Explica si lo viste, es andaluza.
Yes, in the south of Spain, people say that if you leave your bag on the floor, your money will be disappear.
Will disappear.
Okay.
You don't earn money.
Okay,
That means you
now
don't earn money
I have
anymore.
prepared
¿A que sí, Lola?
a quiz about Catalan and Spanish culture, and the Danish twins have to ask these questions to the Spanish one, and then
There was once a prince, and he wanted a princess, but then she must be a real princess. He traveled right around the world to find one, but there was always something wrong. There were plenty of princesses, but whether they were real princesses, he had great difficulty in finding out.
¿Que lo pronuncie ella? Simona más.
In English.
A Danish crown equals X euros.
how many euros is a crown? When you went to the bank and you change your money, okay,
Ah, vale.
7,2.
In English, Alan.
Så synes jeg, vi skal videre.
Hvad er det?
Dije, jeg skulle ikke sige.
Så prøv for Isabel til at læse det.
Ja.
Isabel.
Ja. La Perera and La Sagrada
Sagrada Familia,
Familia were designed by a famous Catalan architect called
Gaudí, Antonio Gaudí.
Gaudi.
And where was Gaudí from? You know?
¿Qué pasa, mira?
Pasa on that, right? It's perfect. Now you can see this is princess.
No sé cómo hacer el cuerpo de la princesa.
In English.
How are you
Alan.
doing? No lo voy a colgar. Can I see what you're doing? Yo colgo la
Okay, let me see your work.
Mira, chaval.
Oh, nice. Is that the princess?
Yes.
¿Habéis visto qué perfección?
You know that song there, princess?
No.
Lived in a palace.
Pues es convertir un palacio.
Oi. ikke kamera. Det er Christian.
Har I ikke arrangeret i morgen?
Line, har du fået nogle tilbud på Spanien om at blive reporter? Jeg har heller ikke rigtig hørt noget.
Vi er veldig klar. Vi vil gerne have klare på.
Nå, så må de lidt mindre over.
Jeg tænkte, at jeg også så en fejl et eller andet sted, siden de ikke hørte noget.
Ja, det kan godt være her.
Så kommer det jo op og
Smøren skulle ellers være. Jeg har jo knækket min tårn.
Det skal excellent, excellent.
Men i hovedet, det var...
You have to work together and look on the blackboard.
Okay.
You are now, as the group, you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So altogether you have 26 feet, okay? But now you are only allowed to have 10 feet on the ground. You are also allowed to have 4 knees on the ground, 2 butts on the ground all together, 4 elbows and 6 hands. So now you have to talk with each other. Who is having the knees on the ground? Who is having the foot on the ground? How will you make this exercise? I kender den godt, ikke også?
Yeah.
Okay.
Signe. We got to have 10 feet. Only 10 feet. So if there is anyone who can jump on the back on someone so they don't touch the ground. We can do that.
No, que son más de escala, como de sobra, que no toque
Vale.
Someone has to be on the back and someone has to only touch the floor with their hands.
If there's someone...
¡Es el fino para estar aquí arriba!
Er der nogen, der kan sidde ned?
Jeg kan ikke sidde ned midt.
Ja, jeg kan godt sidde ned. Ja, så skal vi have 4 knæer.
Prøv lige at gøre sådan.
Eller gider jeg skynde jer at lave 4?
Vi skal have albuer sidst. Vi skal have albuer.
Ja, hvis det er knæ og albuer.
Knæ og albuer.
Der er 4.
Det kan du se, de kan op med deres hænder på. Og så hvis...
Down. Hello. Down. Yes. You just like this. On like 1, 2. Down. 1, 2.
Joder, un puñado eso, te lo digo.
Christian,
Nu er vi på 9 fødder.
what's your language and expression?
Okay, er I klar nu? Okay, can I count now?
Ja.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And the knees, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 1 butt, 2 butts, yes. And elbow, 1, 2, 3, 4. And hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Congratulations. Thank you. Now you just have a small break until 25 minutes past 11. Then you have to be on the square. Vi skal være på torvet 5 minutter i halv, fordi der skal vi have besked om skolebesøget. Okay? So you have a break until just 10 minutes.
Okay, but now you're finished with this workshop, okay? And I'm going to collect those 2 cardboards and put them on this, over that. And then you have to go outside and have a seat. Then Camilla will say something about visiting the primary schools after you have a break. So go outside and have a seat at the table.